Hello and welcome to the UK. We are so glad you are thinking of making our country your new home. Bringing your family together is a wonderful thing. We understand that navigating the visa process might seem a bit daunting. That's why we've created this guide to make getting your UK family visa as smooth as a freshly poured pint. We're here to break down each step in simple terms. No confusing jargon, we promise. From eligibility and choosing the right visa to gathering documents and understanding the process, we've got you covered. Think of this guide as your trusty travel companion, here to guide you every step of the way. So, grab a cuppa, get comfortable, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. We know how important it is to have your loved ones by your side. We're here to help make that happen. Let's get started. Who can join you? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's see if you qualify for the UK Family Visa. This visa is for those who want to join their family members already living in the UK. First things first, is your family member already settled in the UK? They need to be a British citizen or have settled status, meaning they have the right to live in the UK permanently. This could be a spouse, partner, parent or child. Now, who can join them? You might be eligible if you are their spouse, partner, fiancé, child under 18, or a dependent relative who needs care. Each category has specific requirements, so be sure to check the details on the government website. Don't worry, we will get into the specifics of each visa type in the next section. For now, just make sure your family member in the UK meets the criteria and you are one of the eligible family members. It's all about making sure you and your family are good to go. Now that you know you might be eligible, let's figure out which UK family visa is your perfect match. Are you head over heels in love and ready to tie the knot? Then the spouse visa is your go-to. If you're already married, this visa lets you join your partner in the UK. Maybe you're planning a future together but haven't gotten hitched yet. The fiancé visa is for you. It allows you to enter the UK to marry your beloved and settle down. Got little ones? The child visa allows children under 18 to join their parents in the UK. And if you have older family members who need a bit of extra care, the adult dependent relative visa might be the right fit. Remember, each visa has its own set of rules and requirements. It's essential to choose the visa that best suits your family's situation. Take your time, read carefully, and don't hesitate to seek guidance if needed. Picking the right visa is like choosing the right train ticket. It gets you where you need to be.
Know you've been a good friend.
We want to make sure you and your family can live comfortably in the UK. That's why there are some financial requirements you'll need to meet. Think of it like budgeting for a holiday. You wouldn't want to set off without enough money for accommodation and expenses. Similarly, the UK government wants to ensure you have sufficient funds to support yourselves. The main thing is showing you can support yourselves without relying on public funds. You'll need to meet a minimum income threshold, which varies depending on your family size and visa type. You can prove this through your salary, savings, or a combination of both. Don't worry if your situation is a bit unique. There are alternative ways to demonstrate financial stability, such as sponsorship or having your family member in the UK act as a sponsor. Remember, it's all about showing you're prepared and ready to build a happy and stable life in the UK. Section 5. Gather your papers, passports and more. Just like packing for that dream trip, you'll need to gather some essential documents for your visa application. Think of these as your travel essentials, ensuring a smooth journey through the process. First and foremost, make sure your passport is up to date. It needs to be valid for your entire stay in the UK. You'll also need your birth certificate, marriage certificate, if applicable, and any other documents that prove your relationship with your family member in the UK. Remember, each visa type has its own specific document checklist. Double-check the requirements for your chosen visa to avoid any last-minute surprises. It's all about being organized. Section 6. Applying online, easy does it. Time to embrace the digital age. Applying for your UK family visa is now done entirely online. Don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly, even if you're not a tech whiz. Head over to the official UK government website for visa applications and create an account. You'll be guided through each section, filling in your details and uploading those all-important documents. Take your time, double-check your answers, and make sure all the information provided is accurate and consistent with your supporting documents. Any discrepancies could lead to delays or even rejection, so it's best to be extra careful. Once you've submitted your application, you'll need to pay the visa fee. Keep in mind that this fee is non-refundable even if your application is unsuccessful. Think of this as booking your flight online. Be thorough, accurate, and you'll be good to go. Section 7. Time for fingerprints and photos. Now it's time to put on your best smile, well, a neutral expression will do, and head to your biometrics appointment. This is a quick and easy step where you'll provide your fingerprints and a photograph. Think of it as getting your boarding pass at the airport. It's a way for the UK authorities to confirm your identity and keep things secure. You'll need to book an appointment at a visa application centre in your home country. These centres are located worldwide, making it convenient no matter where you are. During your appointment, a friendly staff member will guide you through the process. They'll take your fingerprints electronically and snap a quick photo. It's all very straightforward and should only take a few minutes. Once you've completed this step, you're one step closer to reuniting with your loved ones in the UK. Section 8. Sending your documents. Be organized. So, you've applied online, attended your biometrics appointment, and now it's time to send off those all-important documents. Think of this as, well, packing your suitcase carefully, making sure everything is in order before you jet off. Gather all the original documents you used to complete your online application. This includes your passport, birth certificate, marriage certificate, financial documents, and any other supporting evidence. It's crucial to send these documents through a secure and reliable courier service. You'll want to choose a method that allows you to track your package and ensures it reaches the visa application center safely. Remember, your original documents are precious, so it's worth investing in a reputable courier service for peace of mind. Once your documents are on their way, you can sit back, relax, and let the UK authorities do their thing. Section 9. Waiting game. What happens next? You've done your part, now it's time for the UK Visas and Immigration team to review your application. This is the part where patience is key, but don't worry, it's usually a smooth process. While you wait, you can track the progress of your application online using the reference number you received when you applied. The processing time for UK family visas can vary, so it's best to apply well in advance of your intended travel date. You can find the most up-to-date processing times on the UK government website. If your application is taking longer than expected, don't panic. There might be additional security checks or your case might be more complex. You can contact UKVI directly for an update if you're concerned. Remember, good things come to those who wait. Section 10. Hooray, you're in! Now what? Congratulations. You've received your UK family visa and are ready to embark on this exciting new chapter. It's time to pack your bags, book your flight, and get ready for a warm welcome. Upon arrival in the UK, you'll go through immigration control where you'll present your passport and visa. The immigration officer will ask you a few simple questions to confirm your identity and the purpose of your visit. Once you've cleared immigration, you're free to enter the UK and start your new life with your loved ones. Remember to keep your visa safe and sound, as you'll need it for identification purposes while you're in the UK. Welcome home. Section 11. Need extra help? We've got you covered. We understand that every family is unique and some cases might require a little extra attention. If you're facing a complex situation or have specific questions, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. There are qualified immigration advisors and solicitors who specialize in UK family visas. They can provide personalized advice, review your application, and help you navigate any challenges that may arise. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution and seek expert help if needed. They can provide peace of mind and increase your chances of a successful application. Think of it as having a local guide on your trip. They know the ins and outs and can make your journey smoother. Section 12. Your UK adventure begins. Congratulations on taking this significant step towards reuniting with your family in the UK. We know it's been a journey, but we hope this guide has made the process a little bit easier. Remember, the UK is known for its warm hospitality, diverse culture, and countless opportunities. Embrace the adventure, explore new horizons, and create lasting memories with your loved ones. Welcome to the UK. We're thrilled to have you.